We are about to launch a new product category, and I need to coordinate our entire go-to-market strategy. So I asked AI to define the step-by-step process. I described what we needed, clicked the button, and within seconds, Nova generated the full workflow along with all the required templates. Let's check it out. Right here, we have a value proposition whiteboard for team discussions, as well as a weekly launch execution plan. Everything here can be customized and adapted with the help of AI. Next, I can assign team members to lead each section, or even assign specific sessions and steps directly to AI. For instance, I can set the AI to collaborate with the team on a brainstorm. When I click to launch it, you can see the AI immediately gets to work. I can share my own input alongside it, and as you see, the AI works incredibly fast, generating ideas and speeding up the whole process for the team in seconds. You can also assign AI to own single individual steps. Once roles are assigned and deadlines are set, everyone is ready to execute with complete clarity on expectations, ownership, dependencies, and decision visibility. What is the next major project your team needs to tackle? Set up your process with Nova today.